I'll be showing you guys how to make color milk drinks, and I grew up drinking these during Hmong New Years. The vendors were hanging on like their canopies, and then they would make it inside like an ice plastic bag and just pour it in a plastic bag, and then we'll just drink it out of the straw in the plastic bag. And you can also find these drinks all over Thailand. But yeah, I'll be showing you guys how to make 4 different kinds today. The first one is going to be the red sala milk drink. The second one is going to be the green cream soda milk drink. Third one is going to be the super fast and instant Thai iced coffee. And then the fourth one is going to be the classic Thai iced tea. Yeah, hope you guys give it a try. Summer is coming, so these are perfect drinks to whip up during the summer. So let's go make some drinks. This time we are not cooking, we are going to make some drinks. So let's make some drinks. Let's go. First one we're gonna make is the pink milk with ice, so the ice pink milk. So first thing we're gonna add is some of the red syrup here. So this is the red sala syrup. We're gonna go ahead and add this into the cup. And then we're gonna add in some condensed milk. Okay, so after that, I'm going to add in some hot water. So this is about half a cup of hot water. Then I'm going to stir this. So to that, I'm going to add in some evaporated milk here. So I'm going to add some evaporated milk here. Stir this up. And this is pretty much it. So at this point you guys can add ice, just enough to fill it up to the cup. Or like traditional ways, back when we would go to New Year's, they would bag it in the plastic bag for us with ice. Also in Thailand they would bag it in ice too. So I'll show you guys how to do that. Alright, so I have a plastic bag here. And then fill it with ice. This drink is pretty sweet, so do your best to put quite an amount of ice in there. I think I put about 1.5 cups of ice. And then we're just gonna pour in the milk. But yeah, this is it for this one. It's nice and pink. And that's pretty much it for the pink drink. Voila! So when you guys want to drink this, you can take this, unopen it, just stick a straw in it. But yeah, basically the pink drink is done with that. Alright, next up we are going to do the green one. This is exactly the same as the pink one, but instead we're using the green syrup. So here is the green syrup. This is the cream soda flavor. It has kind of like a pandan and honeydew flavor to it. It's kind of hard to explain, but that's the closest I can explain it. So yeah, we're gonna pour this into the cup. And then we're gonna add in some condensed milk as well. We're gonna add in some hot water to melt down the condensed milk a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and stir this up just to break apart and melt down the condensed milk. Now we're going to add in some evaporated milk. Perfect. Stir that up a little bit. And that's about it for this one. yeah, ice in the bag here. And then we'll take this and we'll just pour it in the bag. And that's about it for the green one. Just gonna close this up. Voila! Nice and cute green flavor. So this one's done. Alright, so next one we're gonna do is a super easy Thai iced coffee. And we are gonna use just instant coffee that's already been made. So I have a measuring cup here. This is my mom's favorite coffee drink, iced coffee drink, and we just basically use the ones that's already made like this. If you guys want, go ahead and buy the dry packet of Thai coffee and follow directions in the back, and yeah, you can brew it yourself, but basically this is super easy. We just use this because it's convenient and easy and fast, so if you guys want iced coffee. So there. So to this, we are going to add about 3/4 of a cup of this mix. Perfect. Alright, and to that, I'm going to add in some half and half. This is about 1/2 cup. It also depends on how strong you like your coffee to taste, but we're going to dilute this with more ice too. So just be careful, FYI, if you guys add too much, it might be too sweet, but yeah, we're gonna add some ice in here. Stir this up a little bit. And this tastes like espresso and vanilla ice cream. It's so good. So yeah, now we're gonna take this and put it in ice. Pour some ice in here. This one I'm going to use quite a lot of ice just because it's pretty strong with the coffee flavor. And then go ahead and just pour in your iced coffee here. And that's about it. You guys can drink it straight up like that. Put it in a glass cup, whatever you guys like. Pull this up. Cut this up. And that's it for the iced coffee. Alright. Alright, the last one we're going to do is some Thai tea. The classic Thai iced tea. So I have about, I have a measuring cup here. I'm going to line it with my mesh strainer here so I can put my tea in. So I'm going to have that in there. And into that, I'm going to add in about 1/4 of a cup of Thai tea leaves into this strainer. Alright, so I'm going to add about a cup of hot boiling water in here. Mix that around pretty nice in there. I'm going to let this steep for about 3 to 5 minutes depending on how strong you guys like it. Also, if you guys want it to be less strong, just add less tea in there. But I like it pretty strong because when you pour this into the ice, it gets pretty diluted. So it's really up to you. But yeah, I'm going to keep this in here, let this steep for about 5 minutes, and then we'll come back and finish it off. Okay, so this has been steaming for about 5 minutes. I'm going to take this off, squeeze out any excess water in here. So to that, I'm going to add in some condensed milk. And some sugar to taste. It's really up to you how sweet you guys like it. This is about a tablespoon of sugar. Stir this up. And at this point, go ahead and taste it, just to see if you guys like the sweetness or not. And then we're pretty much done. We're just gonna pour this over ice and then top it with some evaporated milk. So Thai tea, since we brewed it pretty hot, go ahead and add quite a lot of ice. Just ice in there. And into that, we're gonna pour in the iced tea. this, they like to top it with some more evaporated milk. So you can see some of the ice are quite melted already. So we're gonna add in some evaporated milk to top it. I like 2 tablespoons, it's really up to you. And tie this up. That's pretty much it for the Thai tea. Super easy too. Alright.